Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about transcendental functions. So transcendental functions include of trigo, exponential and log. But today we are going to focus on trigo. Okay, before we start the questions, you need to know the basic trigo derivative, such as that sine x equals to cos x equals to the negative sine x, tangent x equals to secant square x, cosecant x equals to negative cosecant x cotangent x, secant x equals to the secant x times tangent x, and the cotangent x equals to negative cosecant square x. So these are the 6 basic trigo derivatives. These are the 6 trigo derivatives. Okay, now let's look at the product rule questions. Okay, so you need to know product rule means f times g prime equals to f prime g plus f g prime. Okay, now let's look through the questions. Let's find the derivative of x squared sine x. So from the formula, f equals to x squared. The f prime equals to 2x. And the g equals to sine x. G prime, let's refer to the derivative trigo right at the top. So sine x equals to cos x. We just follow the product rule. So f prime g plus f g prime. So 2x times g is sine x plus f is x squared plus x squared times cos x. So the final answer is 2x sine x plus x squared cos x. Okay, now let's see the quotient rule. Okay, this is quotient rule. So quotient rule only used in division. So now let's derive cos x over x. So now cos x is f, x is g. Let's derive the f first. F equals to cos x. Okay, f prime refers to the top is negative sine x. So cos x equals to negative sine x. Now let's work on the g. G equals to x. G prime equals to 1. Now we follow the quotient rule. So the g is x and the f prime is sine x, negative sine x. Okay, you need to put a bracket and minus f is cos x and g prime is 1. So over g squared. G is x and you need to write x squared. Then the final answer is equal to negative x sine x minus cos x over x squared. Now let's look at chain rule. So chain rule is composite functions. So what is composite functions? Composite functions mean that functions in a function. So now let's look at the chain rule derivative. It's similar to the trigo derivative at the top there we just read before. It's just you need to change the x to u, and the end of the sine x, the sine u equals to cos u. This is trigo, but if at the end you add the u prime, it turns to chain rule. So these are the 6 derivatives of chain rule that you can use. Now let's solve the question. This question has sine. So let's see which one is using sine. So it's the first one. Sine u equals to cos u times u prime. So right here, the sine is mean cos. Okay, it turns to cos. and the 4x squared is u. So we differentiate the 4x squared first, so it will become 8x. So right here we just write cos 4x squared times 8x, and we rearrange right as 8x cos 4x squared. This is the final answer. Now let's move to the second questions. Let's solve cosecant sine x. So after derive cosecant, it returns into negative cosecant u cotangent u times u prime. So now let's just write our things inside. Negative CSC times sine x. Sine x is the u, so just write the same thing. Cotangent, and you just write the same thing, sine x. So what's the derivative of sine x? Is cos x. Now let's rearrange. Negative cosecant sine x cotangent sine x times cos x. So this is the final answer. That's all for today. Thank you, and I hope you understand how to derive the trigonometry functions.